हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू बिटकॉइन बैठक। आज हम इस चैनल पर डी कोड करेंगे द वर्ल्ड ऑफ क्रिप्टो करेंसी बहुत सिंपल एंड प्लेनफुल इनसाइट के साथ, ताकि आप जैसे इन्वेस्टर्स एंड ट्रेडर्स इससे फ़ायदा हासिल कर सकें। क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि बीटीसी की प्राइस किस तरीके से फॉर्म होती है, और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आप इसको प्राइस एक्शन वक्त आने से पहले कैसे पिक कर सकते हैं लाइक अ प्रो। So, if you guys are ready to level up your crypto game, just stick around and hit the subscribe button. सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं बीटीसी के टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के साथ, क्योंकि व्हाट हैपन इज अगर हम कोई भी ट्रेड लें बगैर टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के, सो इट्स जस्ट लाइक हवा में तीर चलाना। वी हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द ट्रेड। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑफ विद द बीटीसी टेक्निकल एनालिसिस। बीटीसी इस वक्त करंटली ट्रेड हो रहा है अराउंड $96,000 पे, 96,200 टू बी एग्जैक्ट। और हम BTC USD के चार्ट पे on a weekly time frame basis से। I just wanted to show you a couple of things, right? Let me get rid of this rejection area for a bit. So इस चार्ट पे I highlighted a couple of things for you guys, right? So what happened is, and let me get rid of this. So मैंने स्टार्ट किया है अपना स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, और मैंने टच किया है BTC के ऑल टाइम हाई एरियाज को। सो बिफोर BTC ने इस एरिया को हाईलाइट किया था, आई न्यू एग्जैक्टली दिस इज वेयर the rejection is going to come from. So what happened is, मेरा starting point था जून 2016 पे, जब BTC was trading around almost around $1,000 पे। फिर BTC ने अपना another price form किया which was around all time high, that was around $20,000 back in December 2017। BTC कंसोलिडेटेड फेज में गए, पैटर्न को उसने ब्रेक किया, अनदर पैटर्न फॉर्म किया, और वहाँ से इस एरिया से जब ट्रेंड लाइन से रिजेक्शन ली, BTC gave us a rally of about 478%। BTC ने अनदर अपना ऑल टाइम हाई फॉर्म किया इन अप्रैल 2021 which was around $65,000। BTC रीटेस्ट हुआ, रिजेक्ट हुआ, और उसके बाद अनदर ऑल टाइम हाई फॉर्म हुआ which was around $70,000। फिर BTC ने रिजेक्शन लिया और मार्केट बेरिश हो गई। चैनल में के अंदर उसने BTC ने कंसोलिडेट किया एंड गेव अस अनदर रैली ऑफ अबाउट 66%। फिर BTC एक चैनल में गया एंड गेव अस अनदर रैली, कंसोलिडेट हुआ इस एरिया में। that was the point I wanted to show to you कि जैसे इस कंसोलिडेशन फेज में गया, BTC gave us a rally of about 131% पे। ये ट्रेंड लाइन और ये कंसोलिडेटेड फेजेस में वेरियस डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स फॉर्म हुए, लाइक इनवर्स हेड एंड शोल्डर, वेरियस अदर डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स। अगर आप इसको लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे देखें, एंड वी आर करंटली ऑन अ वीकली टाइम फ्रेम बेसिस, राइट, which is why I just wanted to give you an overall picture ताकि आपको अंडरस्टैंड हो सके, hey, this is where the market is at and this where the market is gonna head to, right? So BTC, where were we? So yeah, this area of rejection जहाँ से BTC को resistance मिली, and that was around when गल्फ वॉर के चांसेस ज़्यादा हाई हो गए थे, और उसके बाद एंड डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट हुए थे। सो BTC gave us a huge rally of about 42% and hit the all time high, द पॉइंट जहाँ से रिजेक्ट हुआ। लेकिन लाइक आई सेड, इस पॉइंट के रिजेक्शन से पहले आई न्यू है दिस वाज द पॉइंट जहाँ से BTC ने रिजेक्ट होना है। सो इमेजिन कि अगर आपने यहाँ से 200 250x पे ट्रेड खोली होती ऑन अ शॉर्ट, if you knew this area before, which is exactly most of the people have done, and my students, कि उन्होंने वहाँ से short खोली and it went all the way down to $92,000। So we knew this was coming, and we knew exactly when this is going to come based on the patterns, based on various different things, right? So we knew BTC की price action point, which was something we already knew। अगर हम इसके लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे जाएं तो यहाँ पे भी मल्टीपल पैटर्न फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, और BTC ने बेसिकली कपल ऑफ डेज अगो BTC ब्रोक अ ट्रेंड लाइन। ये एक सपोर्ट एरिया है, लेट मी ओके, सो दैट वाज द सपोर्ट एरिया जो कि BTC ने ब्रेक किया। सो फर्स्ट कंफर्मेशन वाज हियर, जो कि मेरी ट्रेंड लाइन ने कंफर्म किया था। सेकंड कंफर्मेशन मुझे मिली यहाँ से, इस पैटर्न से जो कि BTC ने फॉर्म किया, जो कि अनदर बेरिश पैटर्न है, एंड इट्स अ पैटर्न कॉल्ड 3 ड्राइव पैटर्न। लो हाई, another low, another high, another low, another high. So इस पॉइंट पे जैसे ही हिट हुआ था I knew exactly कि my technical analysis 100% correct है और BTC ने यहाँ से नोज डाइव होना है. अगर हम इसको Fibonacci retracements के जरिए अपने टारगेट चेक करते हैं, so I'm gonna go all the way down to all the way my rejection area. तो इसने हमें टारगेट दे दिया है कि BTC कहाँ कहाँ से रिजेक्ट हो सकता है. So like I said, that was my first confirmation, this was my second confirmation. BTC के ये टारगेट थे. So first area was here of course क्योंकि ये neckline है, trend confirmation करता है. This was one of the area, this was one of the area जहाँ से BTC को already rejection मिली. BTC का अनदर रिजेक्शन एरिया ये है जो कि सपोर्ट भी है टेक्निकली एंड वी वुड सी राइट. और एक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एरिया है ये. लेट मी गेट रिड ऑफ दिस गाय एंड फॉर अ सेकंड ताकि यू गाइस कैन सी इट क्लियरली. ओके हैंग ऑन अ सेकंड, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड हियर? आई थिंक ट्रेंड लाइन डिलीट हो गई थी. लेट मी गेट रिड ऑफ दिस गाय राइट. सो व्हाट हैपेंड इज कि लाइक आई सेड BTC जब इस my first confirmation was this guy right. Second confirmation मुझे इस पैटर्न ने बता दिया था कि BTC is gonna get rejected from this point onwards और मैंने यहाँ से शॉर्ट खोल दिया था. और BTC उसके बाद यहाँ तक रिजेक्ट हुआ और उसकी इवन दो यहाँ टारगेट है और ये एक CME गैप भी पड़ा हुआ है विच एवरीबडी न्यू हे यहाँ से रिजेक्ट होगा ऑल द वे वुड गो डाउन हियर. ऑफ कोर्स नॉट, इट्स नॉट गोना हैपन. कोई मेजर इतनी bearish news नहीं आई है कि BTC would nose dive all the way from here to $75,000. Not gonna happen in next even couple of days or anything at all. And let me show you why exactly I'm saying this. क्योंकि basically it could be a fake out, right? ताकि लोग short open कर सकें और लोग liquidate हो सके. But like I said, this was my first confirmation. This pattern was my second confirmation, but before that I had another confirmation, which is something most of the people don't even look at. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि स्टॉक्स एंड क्रिप्टो का कोरिलेशन है. अगर स्टॉक ने नोज डाइव किया और वहाँ कोई पैटर्न फॉर्म हो रहा है सो इवेंचुअली इट्स गोना कम डाउन टू द BTC और क्रिप्टो वर्ल्ड में भी ये फॉर्म होता है. एग्जैक्टली वुड प्ले आउट एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. लेट मी टेक यू टू S&P 500 चार्ट. सो दिस इज समथिंग you guys should always keep an eye out. ये बेसिकली यहाँ I knew exactly based on the pattern that I could see कि यहाँ पे एक wedge पैटर्न फॉर्मुलेट हो रहा है. So like I said, एक rising wedge pattern form हो रहा था मेरे low and high, and based on this technical analysis, it kind of gave me a second confirmation. और ये इसकी neckline है जो कि kind of tell us कि यहाँ से जब reject होगा BTC would get ये S&P 500 technical इसका target ये है. लेकिन like I said, it could be a fake out. Because see, couple of things I wanted to highlight it to you. ये एक bearish pattern है जो कि शो करता है couple of things. So first thing I wanted to point it out to you क्योंकि remember right BTC के पास एक लंबी red candle बनी थी. This is because क्योंकि वो सिर्फ BTC में नहीं even on S&P 500 में भी same form हुई थी. Let me show to you. Let me go back to the BTC chart ताकि you guys can see it right. So remember that huge red wick. This is exactly the huge red wick right. So जैसे ही स्टॉक में फॉर्म हुई I knew कि BTC में भी फॉर्म होगी and I opened up my short even though I had the confirmation earlier. So I was keeping an eye out on S&P 500 based on this pattern and the market is gonna go down eventually based on this pattern. But see, like I said, I was saying क्योंकि ये it could have been a fake out right. क्योंकि अगर आप यहाँ पे देखें S&P 500 इसने even though rejection तो दी लेकिन इसी रिजेक्शन एरिया से इसी पैटर्न एरिया से उसने सपोर्ट बनाई and forming all these beautiful green candles. 1, 2, 3, another small red candles because it's a Christmas time, holiday time. तो यहाँ volume नहीं होता, trading नहीं होती, stock market close and everything, right? So you can see, hey, this could have been a fake out on the BTC side. So you always have to keep an eye out on these charts before you know, hey, what अगर आपने शॉर्ट खोलना है लॉन्ग खोलना है ताकि you have your confirmation here which is where the market is heading और you can open up your trade around it और आप अपने पैसे को उस हिसाब से मैनेज कर सकें, अपनी ट्रेड्स को मैनेज कर सकें. Now let me show you a couple of the other different areas as well, which is something most of the people don't even look at, which is something you guys should be looking at, is BTC liquidation heat map. इस heat map को पढ़ना बहुत बहुत important है. Every time you open up a trade, every time first thing in the morning you guys should look at is BTC के chart को और इसको. So what happened is in last 24 hours, even though within 1 hour, right, कोई market में volume नहीं था, लेकिन still people got liquidated of about $2.6 million. Last 24 hours पे $266 million liquidate हुए, of which 200 big chunk, right? So roughly 85% was long, 20% or 15% was short. And the most shocking part to me always is this guy. How can we have a single largest liquidation order of about whatever $1 million? I don't understand कि लोग किस तरीके से do they not do the technical analysis, which is why I thought कि मैं ये channel बनाऊं and show you guys, hey, you guys can avoid all these mistakes that other people are doing. It's a huge amount. You should never, these guys should have never got liquidated at all. No way on earth. Couple of other things to look at is crypto bubbles. So as you can see on a weekly, in fact on a daily basis पे couple of green जो कि meme coins जो कि green है, but rest of the coins are in red, big red. On an hourly time frame, let's take a look at it. Mainly, so that means, right, so most of the coins are in green, which tell us hey BTC की domination जो है वो decrease हुई है. Let's double check RSI heat map पे. So on a 4 hour basis पे couple of coin जो कि most of the coins as you can see, right, वो नीचे एरिया में है जो कि oversold या neutral. Couple of coin has gone up on the strong side, and hardly this guy, right, is in overbought zone. So that's something you guys should keep an eye out. Another most important index that I always look at, let me share it with you guys as well, is this area. So what this chart shows is the net inflow of the money from all the exchange. And to me, this is one of the most important area, ताकि मैं जब भी एनालिसिस करता हूँ, अपने ट्रेड्स लेता हूँ, अपनी चीज़ों को देखता हूँ, तो आई जस्ट फॉलो द मनी. सो व्हाट दिस चार्ट शोज is follow the money. So what happened is, for example, let me share to you. So USDT, so basically let's start off with these big areas, right? So what happened is money flowed in from TRY coin into this guy into USDT. So money यहाँ से इस coin से USDT में convert हुए, जो कि USDT से further गए USDC में, then eventually flowed into, so आप इसको पूरा follow कर सकते थे. So it went into Ethereum, it went into Ethereum, so roughly about $58 million went into Ethereum. Ethereum से निकले another $1 million. Ethereum से convert हुए into BNB. So you know, right, you can, guys can always follow the money. Hey, money यहाँ से गई. So for example, USDT से money गई FDUSD में. वहाँ से further flow हुआ, inflow of, sorry, let's see if you can click. So Dogecoin में another $10 million गया. So Dogecoin से further it didn't go into any other coin, right? Same thing with this guy as well कि यहाँ XRP में money flowed in, कि USD से directly money flowed into XRP and this guy. So that's something you always keep an eye out कि भाई, and just simply follow the money. So before you open up your trade, always follow the money. Hey, this is the area that you guys should be keen कि पैसा कहाँ जा रहा है. If the money is flowing into Ethereum, do your analysis on Ethereum first or BNB or BTC, and then decide to take a trade. Always keep an eye out on BTC ताकि आपको पता चल सके कि exactly where BTC is heading. So let's go back into our trading view. So like I said, based on S&P 500, like I said, this could have been a fake out, right? क्योंकि यहाँ से इसने support ली and formed couple of green candles, and उसके बाद market slightly turned red, like I said, because of Christmas and because of holidays. So that's exactly what happened. Usually I look into USDT. Let me just show you another pattern that I can see quickly. So basically क्या हुआ कि यहाँ से इसने bear flag बनाया और ये flag बना के channel में इसने ट्रेड किया. उसके बाद उसको breakout करके यहाँ से इसकी जो dominance थी वो increase हो सकी. Same thing on the BTC dominance, which is something I haven't even looked at it today. Or if I can see यहाँ पे इनवर्स हेड एंड शोल्डर बन रहा है, बट आई एम ऑन अ डेली टाइम फ्रेम बेसिस पे। सो ये एक पैटर्न फॉर्म हो रहा है करंटली, एज यू कैन सी। It's very very important for you guys to know, hey, यहाँ inverse head and shoulder pattern form हो रहा है on the BTC dominance. So what does it tell you? If you guys don't know, then let me explain it to you, because what happened is this is the inverse head and shoulder. So BTC, based on this, the minute it would hit here, so BTC key dominance technically based on this chart pattern, which I don't think is going to play out. It's not going to go down to 63%, but this is telling us, hey, BTC की the minute it hit, is इसकी dominance जो है वो is going up. It can go down, it can go up all the way up until $61,000, or in fact 61% pay, or this sort of area. But there are a couple of different areas of rejection here, which is something I'm going to show to you, क्योंकि वीडियो बड़ी हो जाएगी. I'm going to show to you later on जब मैं इसके डिटेल में एनालिसिस करूंगा. So what I mean, well, I thought like I'll do is कि आपको मैं बता सकूं कि where the market is heading. So if you saw, when you saw these green big red candles, don't worry about it. It could have been a fake out, or market यहाँ से exactly pump कर सकती है. Based on my understanding of the market, what would happen? Couple of scenarios. So first scenario is before Donald Trump would come into the office, which was around, I think it's around January 20th, you would see another all-time high of BTC, जो कि $120,000 को hit करेगा, or in fact more than that, based on my analysis, which is, like I said, something I'm going to do it on a weekly basis, and I'm going to show it to you guys cup and handle pattern जो कि already form हो चुका है. That's something I'm going to share in detail with you, so you guys know exactly where the market is heading. Because I've designed so many charts and patterns for you guys to share just for this video, and I'm going to get it for the next video as well, so you guys could see clearly what's going to happen. Second thing is, this could have been easily a fake out. In fact, let me show you one or two things. In fact, one more chart ताकि आप अपनी trade का idea ले सकें. So there is another chart of the BTC liquidity, which is something equally important and something you should always look into that. Let's see. यहाँ पे अगर ये आता है, my internet is lagging for a bit, right? So here you go. So इस वक्त market में what happened is liquidity sweep on a 3-day chart basis पे, और as you can see, अगर market further bearish होती है, एक wick आएगी and this liquidity would be gone. So 400 million जो कि easily up for grab, $95,000 के mark पे. So one wick would come, it would grab the liquidity. So usually what I do is मैं इसके smaller time frame पे जाता हूँ to do the analysis कि market में कहाँ liquidity है. So the minute you go into smaller time frame and a longer time frame, ताकि you guys can plan के भाई you guys can see right market में क्या होने वाला है. So on a shorter time period, एक wick high पे लगेगी, $100 million would get liquidated. एक दो wick यहाँ लगेंगी, so many people would get liquidated, because what they do, right, like I said, the minute they see all these red and green candle, without going into technical details, what they do, यहाँ पे market आई तो they would open up a short without knowing market कहाँ तक जा सकती है, and market may now go to these level, which is exactly what my thought is. ये मेरे analysis है, it has nothing to do with these chart pattern or anything at all, and I'm not suggesting you guys to take a trade on based on my analysis. I'm just sharing my 2 cents here. So यहाँ की basis पे what most of the people have done, यहाँ से some people have opened up a long position. Some people I know have opened up a long position on here as well. And I was like, why would you do that? You have to know the chart. You have to do your TA first. And you can clearly see these are the chart patterns जो कि form हो रहे हैं. You shouldn't have opened up a wrong trade, right? Which is exactly the whole point. So my 2 cents are, market यहाँ से dip नहीं होगी. This is a fake out. अभी next couple of days up until New Year, market में very low volume होगा. I'm not sure about the Asian market, जो कि tomorrow on Friday, whether they would open up or not. But let's see how the market plays out. But based on my analysis, based on my understanding of the market में lower low बनेगा, or maybe you can see it, right? It has about 20 hours to close the daily candle, और यहाँ पे green, so far a beautiful green candle is being formed, जो कि we'll see कि ये कहाँ close होती है. तो my understanding is this gap ये अभी इस वक्त fill नहीं होगा, और maybe in next couple of months ये उस वक्त fill होगा these gaps, and it would get filled up, trust me it would. लेकिन ये उस वक्त fill होगा जब market bearish होगी. अभी market so far for the next couple of months bullish है. So up until tomorrow, क्योंकि इस कैंडल के क्लोज होने में couple of hours बाकी हैं, so I thought like I'll come on YouTube, share my analysis with you guys, और फिर कल आके मैं I'm gonna share my further analysis with you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video.